Hi everyone. On today's video I'm going to be showing you how to install Zoom meetings on an Android device. So let's go ahead and start off by going to the Play Store. So I have mine in my folder ready to go. We're going to want to search for Zoom and we're going to install Zoom Cloud Meetings. Let's go ahead and hit install. It should start downloading. There it goes. It's not a very large file, so it shouldn't take too long to install. So it's almost done. Once it's done, okay, perfect. You can go ahead and hit open. Now the Zoom application is opening and you are ready to join a meeting. That is all. That is all you need for installing Zoom and to join a meeting that you were invited to. Thank you. If you do need help on how to join a meeting, please watch my how to join a meeting video, as that is a better walkthrough on how to join a meeting. Thank you. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. Please let me know in the comments what you thought, and please subscribe. Thank you.